Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use GitHub Copilot. GitHub has launched its AI powered coding assistant that functions as a peer programmer for developers and it has named it GitHub Copilot. You can use any platform to have it, but I'm going to use the VS Code. So for that, you have to go there and just simply go to their extension section and search for GitHub Copilot. And after that, you will see its extension. Make sure it is by the GitHub. You will also see this verification badge. You just have to simply open it up and install it. If you prefer, you can also install its chatbot extension, but sometimes it get installed on its own when you're installing the GitHub Copilot. But in case you couldn't find it, then you have to install it separately. And once it get installed, then you just have to simply sign up using your email address, and once you do it, then it will be connected through your GitHub account. First, it will ask you for sign up. You will get the pop-up, but in case you couldn't get it, then you will find the link for the sign up somewhere here. Simply go with that and you will be signed up. Then simply open any project in which you want to use it. At the bottom, you will see its icon, which is the icon for the Copilot. You will be able to see it. Otherwise, you can also go to extension if you would like to get its other features. But if you're using it into any project, on the top you will also see its icon. If you click onto it further, you will see other options that you can use. Along with that, you can also enable its chatbot, and this one works as the chat GPT. Like, you ask it anything and it will answer to you. If you want to get anything, you can select the text and just simply go for chatbot and it will explain what is happening into that code. And let's say you're stuck in between somewhere, you're coding, you're writing something, you forget the code, or maybe you are simply stuck somewhere, you don't know what to do it. So you just simply press the enter key and it will show you some suggestion. This is the ghost mode or the ghost code. It will be through this chatbot. If you want a context, if you click on to ask context, then these options will come up, and from there, if you find it anything useful, you can also go for it. Also, the best thing about it, it has two mode: the ask mode, which works as a chatbot, and the other one is the edit. You can ask it to edit your whole coding or any specific part. You can give it a prompt like what changings you need. Even if you tell it to change your whole coding, you don't want that, you want to improve it, or maybe something else you want to ask, just simply tell it, and after that it will change your whole coding as per what you have tell it. And within seconds you will see it will improve your coding, or if you have asked for anything else in the editing mode of your work, it will do as same you tell it. Also, it has different AI models. If you click onto that ChatGPT option, you will see other models. You can select any one of these. Also, you can use your mic or type to give it a prompt. So that is all about GitHub Copilot. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.